Okay, so this is a training video on how to report your neighboring task. So let's say, for example, like this one. So as you can see there is a fake road on this area. So this is not allowed. Okay. So for this error, we need to report. You cannot just add a road here and just submit. Okay. I've seen people do that, and that is wrong. So to report, you just need to click on this report icon up here. Click, select, and then press space. So look for the comment, or you can just manually put a comment here, NA, and just type delete fake road, and then okay. After that, you need to submit your reported file. It is located on the neighboring files below. So this one, it is always at the bottom area, at the bottom of the list. This one. So you need to right click and then submit report. So wait for the report to be submitted, and then that is how you report your neighbor. So another one, let's check for canopy. Okay, for canopy, let's open the canopy first. Control 2. Okay, so for this one, we just need to fix.